Hey guys, it's Randy at Tech Rescue, and today I'm going to show you how to generate and install a self-signed certificate for your cPanel and your WHM server. All right, so it's pretty easy to do. I'm already logged in to cPanel, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your search bar and type in SSL. You'll probably have a different theme on cPanel. This is like the old theme from like the 90s. There's a new, nicer one, but you'll still have that search bar. So type in SSL, click on SSL/TLS, and then you'll want to click down where it says generate. And we already have some certificates here. We're not going to worry about that because when we make a new self-sign one, we can install it over the top of whatever is there and basically replacing what's ever there. So you'll want to enter your domain. There we go. And city. And I have mine set to pre-fill, but you'll want to fill these out. You've got your state, your country, the name of the company. These are optional down here, but I like to fill them in. I guess it's my OCD. Go ahead and fill that in, and then description. Okay, so some people say maybe this might help with SEO. We don't know for sure. In this particular case, Google is probably going to see their certificate that comes from Cloudflare, so this one probably will never be seen. But you may want to optimize your description for SEO. That's up to you. I'm just going to put self-signed certificate, and then I'm going to say generate. All right, so that is going to generate the certificate. There it is right there. I don't want to show the whole thing, but basically it's been generated and it's there for us to see. Now we're going to go back to the SSL/TLS because we've generated it, and now we want to go back here and we are going to install it. So there's 4 sections. Go down to the 4th one where it says manage SSL sites, and come right here where it says select a domain. It's going to automatically pop up your domain, and then if you select autofill, it'll give you the most recent one that you created. So autofill, you can double check that by the date right here. This is actually probably GMT time, but I actually did create it locally. It was 12/17. So I know that's the right certificate. And like I said, it's going to autofill with the most recent one you've created. So just scroll all the way down to the bottom and install certificate, and it will give you a message that says SSL certificate successfully updated. All right, so it's pretty simple. I'm going to create a video in a little bit. If you can see right here that it's the most recent one. Anyway, I'm going to create a video in a little bit about how to get HTTPS using a self-signed certificate and Cloudflare, but this is all for right now. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comments if you have any questions. Sounds good. We'll see you. Have a great day. Thanks.